What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this smart outdoor string light. This is 50 foot, and this is what it looks like. Plastic. All right. Boom. Right here. You got the remote. You have the user's manual. All right, you guys. And with that, this is app operated. So we are going to go ahead and put the string lights outside. So the balls is a good amount of distance away from each other. Seems like 2 foot, 2.5 foot away, maybe like 3 foot away from each other. Have it where you can hook it up on a string. You can twist this off if you need to replace a light. I think you could replace. Can you replace? I don't know about that, you guys. I don't want to break it. I'll get more into that if you could replace it or not. And I sat in water, so excuse the back of my pants. Or I sat somewhere where it's damp on that couch. All right, so I'm going to just start it from here and see where I get. I'm going to run it like how I usually run my stuff. All right, everyone. So now we are here and I'm going to power on the lights. And there you go. Those are the soccer ball lights, and I can move it around to any color I want. No delays. Everything is working well. You put it on work light if you want to, or you can go down here and click it on whatever color you want. Easy taps. All right, and here you have your different color patterns. So you got your Christmas pattern, red, white, and blue, yellow and red, purple and orange. I like this. This seems like Halloween. This would be real cool on Halloween. And then you have your rainbow colors right here. So I just wanted to show that to y'all to be, far away so y'all can see, but I can go a little closer so y'all can see. All right. So there you go. We are closer, and I'll do it again. All right. Give me 1 second. So there you go. You can see about 3, 4 lights right there. Okay, so quick taps. White, orange, red, green, blue, yellow, and then light blue. Then you can skip the purple. They got a plus sign here, so you can add whatever you want to add. When you get to a certain color that you want, you could just hit the plus sign. Again, you can switch it easily here, multicolors. All right. We're going to go on this cube right here, and the cube is effects. So you can have a little blinking effect, and I'll stand it right here so y'all can see it a little bit better. So these are different effects. They named it Christmas 1, Christmas 2, Christmas 3, Halloween. I like this. Halloween 2. Oh, this is cool. I like the color scheme on this. Purple, yellow, and blue. Pretty cool. Halloween 3. Valentine's Day. Pretty sure it's going to be purple. Oh, okay. It's going from there, and then it's going. All right. Thanksgiving. All right, so I'm not going to go through everything, you guys, but I'm just showing you the different stuff that they have. All right, so right here you have create a smudge. I'm not going into that. You have music, so if you want to use your music, you can. I'm not going to do that for the sake of copyright. Okay, so you got phone music and other music. Let me go back. Here you got a clock. and you got time on here, time display on remote control. Then you can add a schedule. All right, so you got all of your schedules to perform. If you wanted to go on or off at the time, that's what you do right there. That's how you use your scheduling. All right, and that's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.